So this is the second question, and the second question is same. To enter and display the name, age and mobile number of 3 of your friends, but this time it is using do while loop. It is another loop in programming. So do while loop. So its do while loops structure is different from other two loops, that is the for loop and while loop. So how they are different, the structure is different, I'll show you. So first of all, common lines are common. You have to write these common lines during the exam. Next one is documentation. You can see the slanting lines over here. So these are called documentation, and please remember to write the documentation in the beginning of the program. A short one line, small line in the beginning of the program, because they also carry marks in your ICSE exam. Documentation carry marks in your ICSE exam. So here also again we are going to declare the variables, declaring variables. So variables are being declared over here because these are variables we are going to use for the program. And I have used the first one, that is string nm. String nm is the variable, which has been declared as string data type. So it is going to enter a noun. It will allow you to enter a noun for this particular variable nm. And there is a semicolon, separator, and I have declared another variable, that is age, and it has been declared as int age, integer age. Integer is number, it is going to take a number. Again there is a semicolon. Semicolon is a terminator, and it is separator, and it is separating the another variables again, like mobnum, which will going to take a mobile number, and int again is has been declared as int because of number. And I am one more integer variable has been declared, that is int a is equal to 1. Why int a is equal to 1? Because as I am using a do while loop, so int a is equal to 1 is the initialization part of the do while loop. So the variable a has been declared or initialized as 1 as int. Int means number, 1 is the number. So the loop is going to move for 3 times, as the question says, because they have to enter the data for 3 friends. So there is another documentation now, and you have to enter the details using a do while loop. I'm using the do loop over here, and this is the curly bracket, open curly bracket for the do while. It starts over here, and do it will simply enter the body of the loop. Without checking for the text expression. It is going to simply enter the body of the loop, and it will ask you to enter the name of the person, age, and the mobile number. Enter the name, nm is equal to sa.next, only next. After next there is the rounded up and close. The next is a function. It will allow you to enter a noun, because name is a noun. So enter the noun, enter the name. Now enter the age. Age is equal to sa.next int, and next int is the function, and it will allow you to enter a number, because as int is added over here with next int, and they should be written together. Similarly for the mobile number, again mobile number is the number, so mobnum is equal to sa.next int. It will allow you to enter the mobile number. Once the data has been entered, it will display. Name is nm, age will be displayed, mobile number will be displayed, and this is the update. A++ is the update expression, A++, and A will become 1. A was 1, now it will become 2. So A was 1 already over here in the declaring variables, if you see on the top. And now because of A++, so A will be added by 1. A was 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So A becomes 2. So once A becomes 2, there is the closing curly bracket of the do. See the highlight. So once I am highlighting over here, see it is getting highlighted over here also. So that means it is the closing curly bracket of the do open over here. And here is the text expression. So whenever you write do, you have to write while. While is a statement along to be given with do, and this a is less than 3 is the test expression. So a has become 2, so 2 is less than 3. As 2 is less than 3, the loop is again going back to do. It will go back to do, and once it is going back to do, it is allowed because a is less than 3. A is 2, 2 is less than 3, true. It is true because of the Boolean expression. Boolean says it is true, expression says it is true, so it allows you to go back to do. It will simply enter the body of the do while loop and again asks you to enter the name, age and the mobile number of the second person, and second person details will be displayed over here. Once it is displayed, again it will go to update a plus plus. A was 2 last time, and this time it will be plus 1 added up, so 2 plus 1 3. So a will become 3, and then it will go over here to the closing curly bracket, and if you see, once this is closing curly bracket, it is highlighted over here. This is the opening, this is the closing, opening and closing, and it is having the while condition, and while condition it says 2 less than 3. So 2 is less than 3, of course it is true. So as it is true, again it will go back to do over here, and once it is do, it is simple, enter the body of the loop. It will ask you to enter the details of the third person, name, age and the mobile number. Once it is entered, it will be displayed. Once it is displayed, it goes back to update, and a will be updated by 1 or added by 1 or incremented by 1. So as it was 2 last time, so 2 plus 1 3, a becomes 3, and that 3 will be checked over here in the test condition, in the while condition. Can you see? Equal is highlighted with yellow color. So a is equal to 3. A is 3, so 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3, true. As it is true, it will again go back to do. Again it will ask you to enter the details of the third person. Once the details of the third person is entered, name, age and mobile number, it will be displayed. Once it is displayed, again a plus plus update. So update means it will become 4. It will become 4 as a was 3 last time. So like in for loop, you have got initialization, text expression and the update. Here also for the do while loop, you have got initialization, you have got text expression, you have got update. So in for loop, all those 3 controls are in one place, but in do while loop they are scattered. They are scattered here and there. They are not in one place. Okay. Now a has become 4, so it is going to check in the while condition. 4 is less than 3. 4 is less than 3. It is false. So it false. It will not go back to do. It will not go back to do. As the condition is false, it will not go back to do. By that time, the loop has moved for 3 times. Data has been entered, and all the 3 members' data has been 3 friends' member details has been displayed. And as it is false, it will come out of the loop. Closing curly bracket of the do while loop will come out of the loop over here. It will come out of the program, and loop is going to terminate. So I'll show you the compilation. Once I click on compile over here, can you see over here at the end of the screen it says class compiled, no syntax error. Class compiled, no syntax error. So program is not having any errors. So I'll show you the output over here now. So it is asking you to enter the name. Enter the name of the first person, because the loop is going to move for the first time now. So we are going to enter the name. Age, mobile number. See, it is displayed. So once you have entered the name, age and the mobile number, once it is entered over here, see, enter the name, enter the age, enter the mobile number. So all these have been displayed over here. Now it is asking you to enter for the second name, for the second friend. Now the second friend is Ravi. Enter. age is 45 and the mobile number. See, detail is displayed over here. Ravi 45 and the mobile number, and the third name now. Okay, third name is Tapan, and the mobile number, the age and the mobile number is displayed. So the loop has moved for 3 times, so it is not asking you for the 4th time. It is not asking you for the 4th time. See, enter name. It is not asking for the 4th time because already the loop is supposed to move for 3 times. Already it has moved for 3 times. First one Ashish, second time Ravi, and third time Tapan. Only 3 times, as loop was supposed to move for 3 times. So everything is displayed over here now.